Hi, I'm Dr. Leticia Kuda Mupawose. I'm the founder of Feso Africa. What we do is we do manufacturing of hair loss products and services. I found out about Fund Hair and Insights through SAB Foundation. I went onto a link and registered. The following morning, I had a response. I had so many people calling me, requesting for bank statements. And the following day, I got the funding, which is quite impressive. One of the biggest challenges that we have as small businesses is that we don't have cash flow management. This loan really is to be used for visibility of the business and also to relocate. I didn't know within 24 hours I could actually be helped. To the business women out there is help, and you need to find out where to find help.